Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Raven Janelle and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be quite different. Basically I had a graduation photo shoot today and I'm going to take you guys with me. This is my first time doing like a professional photo shoot that I booked for myself. The only other photo shoot I ever done that was like professional was with my school, like high school and stuff, for my graduation pics. But this time I booked my own photographer. I found her on Instagram and she actually does phenomenal work. So I do plan to share my pictures, probably the raw images and these ones, and then for my graduation vlog I might share the actual like finished ones that she retouches and everything. Hey y'all, so I just got home and this is what my hair looking like. It's crazy. I'm sorry y'all have to see me like this, but yeah, I'm about to blow dry it because this is not blow dried at all. So be back when I do that. So I just finished blow drying my hair and oh my gosh, I really want to get a trim. I would do it myself, but my blow dryer does not get my hair straight no more. I think I broke it. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna show like the whole process of me doing my hair. I might make like a little TikTok or something, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna show y'all the before and after because this better take me so long. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Honestly, it's pretty late. Oh, this is my hair. I pretty much finished it now. But yeah, my hair is done. Thank God. It's like past, hold on, let me show you. It's 5:44, so now I'm basically about to go get my scrubs because I didn't go to the store today. I was mostly asleep, but yeah, that's where we're about to go. Hey y'all, it's the next day and I finished my hair. You can't really see it. Oh, I didn't know I had oil dripping down my forehead. But yeah, I finished my hair finally. I stayed up till 3 a.m. trying to finish my hair. Like, it's so crazy, but it actually looks nice. I'm actually very proud of myself because I sewed these tracks in, and I don't necessarily feel like I'm good with sewings, but I think this time I did a really good job. Like, it's very like, it's in there, like this stuff. I'm glad, because before, I ain't gonna lie, my sewings when I was younger, they used to be crazy, all bulky. This is actually flat. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Anywho, I'm about to go to the scrub store to try to get some scrubs. I ain't gonna lie, I mostly slept the day away since I did finish my hair at 3 a.m. I slept most of the day away. I'm about to take y'all to the scrub store with me. I do want to show y'all what's in the store because one of my friends, when they looked it up, they said they saw a lingerie section. And I'm like, a lingerie section in the scrub store? Like, that's so crazy. But now I'm kind of curious because I'm like, what kind of lingerie is it? Like, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye.
So
Let me get what I need for people start thinking I'm trying to steal or something. But yeah, I'm at the register. I think when I tried my stuff on, the tag came off, so the lady's trying to find it. But I got what I want though, my scrubs, and they fit. Y'all, that scrub store was so nice, and it looks so ghetto. Like, I was nervous when I first got here. I'm like, bro, this shit looked janky. The lady was looking out the door. I'm like, what's going on? And then I went in there, my jaw freaking dropped. I was like, oh shit, I didn't expect it to be that big and have that much stuff. Like, I seen some shawls and stuff in there, and their mannequin was dressed so cute too, because the mannequin basically had y'all know them Uggs, them like low Uggs. It's like them slippers, but like the toes not out. And the mannequin basically had on those and some leg warmers, and like it was just so cute. And a plaid, like what y'all call them, like one of them knit shirts. But I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm definitely about to come there more often. A lot of their stuff is very affordable, so yeah. I think I'm about to DoorDash for a little bit just so I could earn some of my money back. And also too, I wanted to buy some shoes tomorrow, so I'm about to see if I can. Oh, I should go to CVS to get some makeup and stuff. I think that's all I really need for tomorrow, hopefully. I hope I'm prepared. I'm so scared, y'all. Hey y'all. Okay, don't be like me, don't vlog and drive, but I just had the idea of, oh, let me cut the camera on because I just did a bunch of stuff and I didn't bring you guys with me. So I just came from the dollar store. I had to basically get just some makeup stuff, like makeup materials. Like I got a few beauty blenders, I got some brushes, I actually got some lashes. I'm gonna show y'all the lashes because I think the Dollar Tree is stepping up their game now. Like, oh my gosh, their lashes actually look really good. And I had to decide because I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if this is with me getting older or more mature, but I don't really like the spider leg eyelashes no more, the creepy crawly long ones. I'm starting to like the more, a little more subtle, like not even subtle, like it's like not that much, but just not like crazy long, crazy thick. So I really had to decide because they had some real thick, beautiful ones. I was like, oh my gosh, but I got some more like chill ones. And then I'm also trying to decide, like I'm basically talking with my photographer about which dress I should wear, because one of the dresses I really wanted to wear, I showed it to my mom and she's like, that's way too revealing. And I'm like, and then even other people that I asked, like some of my friends and stuff, they're like, yeah, that looks like, it's giving birthday, it's not giving graduation. So I'm like, I don't know. But now my photographer is saying that she thinks I should wear it. It might actually look nice. So I'm like, I'm like really just trying to contemplate now. But I'm on my way home, about to start getting ready. It's currently 11:13. My photo shoot is at 3 p.m. So I think it takes me about 30 minutes to get to her studio too. So I gotta make time for that, because I be late to everything, but she gonna charge if I'm late, so I'm about to be on time. But yeah, I would show y'all the dresses, but I don't know if that's gonna cut me back on time. My friend gave me some of their books to use for the photo shoot. But yeah, I guess I'll just like kind of put a montage of me getting myself together, because I don't think like I'm gonna really like sit down and record. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, I did my nails and my toes last night. These are press-ons, but I did them last night, and then I also painted my toes white. I ain't gonna lie, I definitely was tired last night, and so I was messing up as far as like staying in the lines of my toenails, so I do gotta clean that up a little bit today. But yeah, honestly, I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous a little bit, but I'm excited. At first I was nervous because it was raining, but now the sun, if y'all can see, the sun is bright. She's coming out now, so I'm a little more excited. I feel like it's gonna come together. The only thing that I don't like is that I don't have new shoes, but honestly, that's life, so I just have to deal with that. But yeah, so I'm home now. I'm about to get ready. I'm gonna bring y'all with me, but I'm not gonna, like, it's gonna be a montage. It's not gonna be like, me sitting down like, oh, this and that. So yeah, see y'all when I'm ready.
Who hit the club and his cups full of jealous. She wasn't on a road, she won over whatever. She a dark skin girl, so the light skin cruise. Probably to you, but she the light skin girl and the light skin cool. You don't know what to do, I'm still saying this bitch knows like crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back in this away. Every time, like that. When she gets away. If this what she wanna be, God, she can have it away, oh no, no, yeah, 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 no, baby, oh, you could have it your way.
Hey y'all, I'm back. This is post photo shoot, me coming back, me coming home and unwinding. I was gonna take my makeup and stuff off, but I was like, let me do an intro and an outro because I definitely didn't do that. So yeah, honestly, the photo shoot went extremely well. I'm very proud of myself and I'm so happy with the pictures. I can't wait to see them. Honestly, she said I'll get my raw images back on Thanksgiving, which is in 2 days. So I'm hoping that I can like include a little bit in here, maybe like pop up 1 or 2 on the sides, but yeah, honestly, I did 2 looks. I did one in my scrubs at her studio, and then I did the second look on campus with this dress. Honestly, the dress was giving prom dress, but yeah, I was a little nervous to wear my dress because I felt like it was quite risky, but honestly, we made it work and I'm very happy, very satisfied, very content. So yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see those. Also, a little bit about the photographer. She's based out here in Baltimore, Maryland. She has her own studio, and she just told me that she recently got into like making videos and stuff, like branding videos and everything. So yeah, definitely check her out if you're interested. I will leave her information linked into my description as well. And if I'm not able to insert some of my pictures here, definitely follow me on Instagram at Heaven Sent Ray. It'll be a link in my description to my page if you want to see the final pictures retouched and everything. I also share a lot of, you know, stuff on my stories and stuff, so if you want to keep up with like my personal life, day-to-day life, then make sure you follow me on there. But yeah, so if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your attention and your support. If you enjoyed this style of videos, like vlog videos, me taking you guys with me, please let me know in the comments and I will be glad to bring more content like this for you guys. Also leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more content from me. But yeah, with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.